At Gigaclear, we've made it our mission to bring full fibre broadband to homes and businesses in rural Britain. Unlike part fibre broadband, which uses old copper telephone lines, our full fibre cable runs all the way to your home for a faster, more reliable broadband service. Getting you installed is a simple two-part process. First, our engineers carry out external works to prepare our full fibre network for installation. We'll bring the new fibre cabling to the outside wall of your property. This happens before your installation day, and you don't need to be home for this part. But if you have any questions, we're always here to help. There are different ways we can connect you to our network, depending on your property. For an overhead installation, we will fix a new fibre cable from an existing telegraph pole to the outside wall of your property. We might need to fix a bracket to your wall. For some underground installations, we can use existing ducts to run the cable to your property. Or we may need to dig a small trench to run the new fibre cable to the outside wall of your property. We will always choose the least disruptive route possible. A neatly coiled cable will be left outside your property, ready for your installation day. For any complex installations, a survey may be required. On your installation day, you or someone over the age of 18 will need to be there, and the engineer will contact you when they're on their way. This appointment will involve drilling into your external wall to bring the fibre cabling into your property. A small box will be fitted to the outside wall where the cable enters your property, and a wall-mounted box inside your home. You will need 2 sockets near the router, plus 2 additional sockets if you've taken our home phone service. The engineer will set up your router, perform a speed test, and set up your home phone service if you've taken this. If you've opted for smart Wi-Fi, you can follow our easy-to-understand setup instructions. And just like that, you're connected to 100% full fibre broadband.